How to fix login error on the Twitch application. First, if you're having any kinds of login error on Twitch, you want to simply check for internet connection first. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, what you can also try is you can simply turn on your airplane mode over here and turn it off back again, since this resets your Wi-Fi settings over here. After that, if you are still applying your username and password correct, however, if you are not being able to log in, you want to simply go to your Twitch application's Play Store and you want to simply check for any kinds of update over here. You want to simply search for the Twitch application on your Play Store over here, and if any kinds of update is available, you want to simply update the app from your Play Store. After that, however, if any kinds of update is not available, you can simply come to your home page, tap and hold on to your Twitch application, tap on app info, go to storage and cache and clear your cache from here. After that, you want to simply open the application again, and the next time you try to log in into your account, you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.